Hello, this is the lecture number 4 for the chapter Constructions for the class 9th. In the last lecture, we have discussed how to construct a triangle when the sum of the two sides of the triangle is given. Now, in this lecture, we'll construct a triangle in which the difference between the sides of the triangle is given, and this is the question number 2 of the exercise 11.2. In this, you have to construct a triangle in which triangle ABC, in which the base of this triangle BC is given as 8 centimeter, and difference between the sides AB and AC is given as 3.5, and the angle B is given as 45. So how will construct this triangle and why? Now, first of all, what you have to do, you have to first of all draw the base BC and make an angle of 45 degrees at B. You know how to draw the angle 45? You construct a 90-degree angle. You know how to construct it. This is 90 degree. When you bisect this 90 degree at taking these two as a center, you will get the 45 degree angle. After that, you mark a point on this 45 degree arm whose difference is 3.5. So suppose this is the point 3.5. This distance is 3.5 and join with this C. Let us call it Q. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of this QC. You know how to draw the perpendicular bisector? It will meet this arm at some point here, and this point will be A and join with AC. Now, why the difference between AB and AC is equal to 3.5? Now, because this is the perpendicular bisector, then these two triangles are congruent. Then this side will be equal to this, means these two sides are equal, and AB is more than AC by 3.5, which says the difference between these side AB and AC is equal to 3.5. So, we will construct like this. So, we will construct it by using the compass and scale. First of all, you have to draw the side BC, which is equal to how much? It is equal to 8 centimeter. BC is given as 8 centimeter. You can draw the rough figure in which BC is equal to, it is 8 centimeter. This angle and the difference between AB and AC is equal to 3.5, like this. So you draw it 8 centimeter. BC, this is 8 centimeter. At B, draw an angle of 45 degree. You know how to draw an angle of 45 degree. You first of all draw the 90 degree angle and bisect it. So this is 60 degree angle, you know it. This is 120 and bisect it. Oh, first of all, these two bisectors, this angle, you'll get this angle as 90 degree. You draw a dotted line because we need an angle of 45. Now bisect it. This 90 degree angle, you know how to draw it. Arc and bisect this arc. You'll get an angle of how much? This is 45 degree angle. Now the difference between the two sides of this triangle is given as 3.5. So you take a radius 3.5 and mark an arc on it. This is the arc of how much? 3.5. Let us call it Q. Let us this point be Q and join with C and draw the perpendicular bisector of QC. You know how to draw the perpendicular bisector? Take a radius more than half of QC. QC ka perpendicular bisector means you have to take the center as Q and C, like this. So this will be meet somewhere the arm of angle 45 somewhere here. It means you have to extend it. So like this. This is the point A of the triangle vertex and join with C. So required triangle is this A, B and C, triangle ABC. Because these two sides are equal, AQ is equal to AC because this is the perpendicular bisector, these two sides are equal, and this length is more than this AQ by BQ, therefore the difference between AB and AC is equal to this 3.5. This is the method to draw a triangle in which the difference of the two sides is given. Now, when in a triangle ABC, AB is greater than AC because AB minus AC is equal to 3.5. Now, if this side is greater than this, then you have to draw the difference of the two sides by producing back this side AB. This is the question number next of this exercise. I'll explain to you what is given in this. In question number 3, it is given that you have to draw a triangle PQR in which the angle Q is 60 degree and difference between PR and PQ is given. Means this is greater than this by how much? It is equal to 2. In this it is given, the QR is given as 6. So how you have to draw it? First of all, you draw the side QR which is equal to 6 centimeter, then draw at Q the angle of 60 degree. You draw an angle of 60 degree, this. Now the difference between the side PR and PQ is given, not PQ and PR. So you have to draw the difference of these two sides backwards. Here, 2 centimeter, draw it and join with this R, join with this R and draw the perpendicular bisector of this point Q. So if you draw the perpendicular bisector of this, it will meet somewhere here, which will be this P. So PQR will be the triangle whose angle is PQR is the triangle whose difference between the two sides will be 2 centimeter. Why it will be? Because it is a perpendicular bisector of this. So whose side it will be a perpendicular bisector? The side of QR, it will meet somewhere here, and these two sides will be equal, and therefore this side will be greater than this by 2 centimeter. So I'll draw it by using the compass and scale. So again, draw the side QR as how much centimeters is given QR? QR is given as it is given as 6 centimeter. Angle Q is given as 6 centimeter. Oh, sorry, 60 degrees. So first of all, draw a side. This is how much? It will be 6 centimeter. Only this up to this. It will be QR. This is QR 6 centimeter at Q because its angle is 60 degree and angle of this will be 60 degree. You know how to draw the angle of 60 degree? Angle of 60 degree. Measure it again and draw an angle of 60 degree. Mark 60 degree. Draw it. This is a 60 degree angle. Now because the difference of the side it is given as PR and PQ, so draw the difference of the side backwards as 2 centimeter. You extend it and find the difference. It is as how much? It is 3. You mark an arc on it. The difference between these two is how much? It is equal to this 2 centimeter. Join it with the dotted line. Draw the perpendicular bisector of this side segment. It will be somewhere here. And join it. It will be somewhere here. So this side will be P and this side will be PR. So this is PQR, whose angle is 60 degree. This side is how much? It is 6 centimeter, and PR and PQR difference is equal to how much? It is 2 centimeter. Why? Because this is the perpendicular bisector. So this side is equal to this, and this is more than this by how much? 2 centimeter. So this is the way you can draw the triangle whose difference between the two sides of the triangle is given. When this side is greater than this, then you have to take the difference on the upward side of the arm, and when the difference between this and this side is given, then you have to take a difference at the back side of the arm PQ. So this is the way you have to construct the triangle when the difference of the two sides is given. Now after that, there is a construction in which the perimeter of the triangle is given. That is the question number 4 of this exercise, in which there is a triangle XYZ, in which the side XY plus YZ plus ZX means perimeter of the triangle is given as 11. Perimeter of triangle ये हमें given है, and the base angles are given, that is angle Y is equal to 30 and angle Z is equal to 90 degree. You have to construct this. So how you have to draw it? First of all, you draw the perimeter. Let us say AB. Okay, perimeter 11 centimeter. Now the angles X, Y and Z is given as 30 and 90. So what you have to draw? You have to draw the half of these angle at the end point of this line segment 11. So here you draw an angle of 30 degree. First of all, you know this is the angle of 60 degree. When you bisect it, you will get an angle of 30 degree. When you bisect this, you will get an angle of 15. So like this, you draw it 15 degree, half of the given angle. Here at the other end, you have to draw the half of angle of 90 degree, that is 45 degree. You know how to draw the 45 degree angle. Bisect it. So like this. The point of intersection of the half of this angle will be the XYZ, that is the vertex X of the triangle. Now what you have to do? You have to draw the bisector of this XB. You know how to draw the bisector? By taking center as this X and B. Similarly, draw the perpendicular bisector of AX. You know how to draw the perpendicular bisector somewhere here? By taking center as X and A. So the point where it meets this segment AB will be Y and Z, and this is X. So this is the required triangle. Why it is a required triangle? Because this angle is 15 and this is the perpendicular bisector of this. So 90 degree bisect these two triangles are congruent, and this is equal to 15, angle opposite to equal side, and this angle will be the sum of these two angles, which is equal to 30. Similarly, this is a perpendicular bisector. This angle is how much? 45. This is a perpendicular bisector. This angle will be equal to 45. So 45 plus 45, it will be equal to 90. So this will be 90 and this will be 30, and the sum of these three sides will be equal to 11, because this side is equal to this and this side is equal to this. So the perimeter will be 11 itself. So this is the basics for this construction where the perimeter of the triangle is given. So constructed by using the compass and scale. What is given? X. It is given as XY plus YZ plus ZX is equal to 11. Angle X is equal to 30 degree and angle Z is given as 90 degree. So first of all, you draw a line segment of 11 centimeter. 11 centimeter. Let us call it A and B. And as I've told you, to draw the angle of 30 degree, you draw an angle of 15 degree at one of the end point of this. So you know how to draw the 15 degree angle. First of all, draw angle of how much? This is 60 degree. Bisect it. It will give how much? 30. You have to draw it by the dotted line because we need a 15 degree angle. You have to bisect it. This angle you have to bisect it. So this will be 15 degree angle. So it is, again you draw it by using the dotted line. Then here you have to draw an angle of half of 90, which is 45. You draw an angle of 45. That is how much? 90 or 60, 120, 90, and this will give 90-degree angle. Bisected, you will get a 45-degree angle. 90-degree ka bisector, it will be 45, and these angles are intersecting each other at this. So this point will be X. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of this AX. You know how to draw the perpendicular bisector? This is the perpendicular bisector of AX. Join it by the dotted line. Similarly, draw the perpendicular bisector of BX. This is putting at this. So this is the perpendicular bisector of this. They are intersecting here at this will be Y, this will be Z, and this is the point where they are intersecting is X. So join with this, and this will be the required triangle. ये आपका required triangle हो गया. X, Y, Z. This will be up 90 ka, it will be there, and it will be up 30-degree. And I've already told you when I'm doing the basics of it, it will be 30 and 90, and this side is equal to this side because sides opposite to equal angles, and this side is equal to this side, sides opposite to equal angle. That is why the perimeter of this triangle XYZ will be equal to 11. Okay, I will tell you again. First of all, draw this 11 centimeter because 30-degree and 90-degree angle you have to make. So you have to make the half of angle of this. So you draw here 30-degree, 15-degree angle. This is 30. This is how much? 15-degree angle. Here you draw an angle of how much? 90-degree, and half of that will give the angle of 45. So this will be the point X. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of X. Let us call it A and B. Perpendicular bisector of XB. You know how to draw the perpendicular bisector. By taking X and B as a center, draw the perpendicular bisector of XA. By putting, this will be the point X, this will be the point, X, this will be Y, and this will be Z. So you will get this triangle by joining. Required triangle, whose perimeter will be 11 centimeter. So I have explained this question 3 times where the perimeter of the triangle is given. The last question is given in which you have to construct a right angle triangle in which whose base is 12. Base is 12 centimeter, and the sum of the hypotenuse, sum of the two sides is given, that is AC plus AB is given as how much? It is equal to 18. You have to construct this triangle. So you have to draw when the sum of the two sides is given. First of all, draw this side as 12 centimeter. Draw an angle of 90-degree. You have to mark the sum of the two sides on this arm, 18. You have to join it by the dotted line. You have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this. The point it will meet will be the point A, B and C, and it will be the required right angle triangle. I'll draw it again. The side BC is given, 90-degree angle is given. The sum of the two side mark it, join with this is 18. You draw the perpendicular bisector of this. The point it will be B, and this is B and C is already given, and the sum of the two side will be as 18. So you have to construct it by using the compass and scale. So what is given in it? You simply draw the base of this triangle as 12. It is given as 12. So you mark it as 12. It is BC. At B it is given at 90-degree angle. You draw a 90-degree angle here. 60, 120, 90. Join it with a dotted line like this. The sum of the two sides is given as 18. So mark as 18 centimeter, open it as 18 centimeter. The scale is only of 15 centimeter. So I'm making it as only how much? I'm taking as this. The sum of these two sides is given as this. We have to join it with this C. Now you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this. You know how to draw the perpendicular bisector. Taking this as a center. It is somewhere here. You are getting. It is meeting it here. So it will be the point A. And this is the ABC triangle. ABC. Now this is coming out to be odd because this length is given as 18 and I marked only 13 because I don't have the space, or that one scale was only of 15 centimeter. You mark properly as this, as two sides as 18, and then draw it. You'll get exact one. You'll get exact one. Okay, so this is the way in which you can construct a triangle when the sum of the two sides is given. When the sum of the two sides of the triangle is given, and the base and the one of the angle is given. So I'm telling you it again. You have to draw the base as how much? 12 centimeter. You have to draw the angle of how much? 90-degree angle. Join it. You mark a side this as 18 centimeter. You join with this is a dotted line. This is BC. Draw the perpendicular bisector of it. Like this you will draw perpendicular by taking center as this. The point at where meet it will be A, and join with this. So this is the required right angle triangle in which the sum of the hypotenuse, which is AC and AB, is given, and the base is given as 12 and this as 90. So this is the completion of the chapter construction, in which we have drawn how to construct a triangle when the sum of the two sides is given, the difference of the two sides is given, and the perimeter of the triangle is given, and we have constructed the angles of 120, 90, 60, 30 and so on by using only the compass and scale. Okay, thank you.